Are you looking to visualize your team's work and priorities in Jira, but not sure how to build a clear, easy-to-use roadmap? In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through the process of creating a roadmap dashboard in Jira. So by the end, you'll be able to easily track your projects and see what's coming next, all in one convenient place. Let's go ahead and dive right in. First, open Jira. If it's your first time, just open your browser and log into your Jira workspace. Remember, dashboards are a fantastic way to see big picture progress, so you're taking a great first step toward more organized project management. Once you're in Jira, shift your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a list of options. Now you'll want to click on More. Sometimes these menus can feel a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, just look for More. It's usually tucked near the bottom of that side menu. After you click More, you'll get a whole new selection. From this menu, select Dashboards. Dashboards in Jira are like command centers, pulling together information so your team can see where things stand and what's coming up. Next, we're going to create a brand new dashboard for your roadmap. Click on Create Dashboard. You might see some templates and examples here, but for this purpose, we're making something custom for your roadmap. Now the system will prompt you to name your dashboard. This is where you want to type in Roadmap Dashboard. Naming it something clear and specific like this means everyone on your team will know exactly what it's for. No more guessing if this is the right place to check for roadmaps. Once you've named your dashboard Roadmap Dashboard, click the Save button. Give it a moment to process. Sometimes it might take a few seconds for Jira to create your dashboard, especially if you're on a busy workspace. After you've created your dashboard, you'll notice the layout may look pretty generic. Let's tidy it up before adding anything new. Change the layout to a single column. This helps keep things clean and straightforward, so your roadmap will be front and center. If you're used to working with multi-column dashboards, single column is really ideal for roadmaps because it lets everyone focus on the schedule and milestones without distractions. With your layout set, click Add New Gadget. In Jira, gadgets are the building blocks of dashboards, and adding one is as simple as clicking the button. In the search bar that appears, type Roadmap. At this point, Jira will start showing you related gadgets, including the Jira Roadmap gadget, just what we're looking for. Click Add next to the Jira Roadmap gadget and you're almost there. Now, before your roadmap can display anything meaningful, you'll need to connect it to a project. Select the project that you want to visualize in your roadmap. Maybe it's your team's main development project or a special campaign you're tracking. After you've selected the project, click Save again, and that's it. You've just built a customized roadmap dashboard in Jira. Take a moment to explore your new dashboard. You'll see your project's timeline, upcoming milestones, and the bigger picture laid out in a way that's easy to share with your team. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. Leave a comment below with any questions or tips you'd like to share. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward, practical tutorials on Jira and project management. See you in the next video.